What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the road to 10K on the TikTok creativity program beta. We've made it all the way up to week 5. If y'all have been keeping up, I appreciate it. Thank you for keeping up with the journey, and thank you for taking an interest in this journey to 10K on the creativity program beta. And as a reward for sticking through, man, I have a huge update for you guys in this video. We have reached a new milestone. So as y'all saw during week 1, week 2, it was a struggle. I could barely break 200 views. I could barely break 400 views. I think throughout the whole first 2 weeks, I didn't have a single video hit 1,000 views. And as y'all saw in every single update video I would make, I would show you the screenshot of all of my posts. So y'all literally have documentation of what it looks like when you first start something. I was getting 200, 400 views, and I was posting every single day, and then I stayed consistent. As we got into week 3, we had our first video hit 1,000 views. So we got into week 4, we had our first video hit 5,000 views. And this week, man, just like I always tell y'all, if you stick to something, you're consistent, you're going to make strides. This week, I'm going to pop up the screenshot here of what we were able to accomplish. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that 230,000 views on that video. Y'all see the video after 40,000 views. Y'all see the videos with 4,000. Y'all see the videos with 7,000. There's no secret to it. There's no secret formula. There's no secret strategy. There's no secret algorithm hack. It's consistency. I show up every single day. Just like I told y'all, in every single video, I'm going to post every day, and I'm not going to stop until I hit that first 10K, and that second 20K, and that second 30K, and that 100K by the end of the year on the creativity program beta. And I'm not stopping. The proof is right there. I mean, I can't imagine any more proof you need to see that whatever it is that you want to achieve, you just need to stay consistent. So this week we hit the huge milestone of surpassing 200,000 views and multiple, another video hitting 40K and a couple of thousands on the other videos. Now, unfortunately, so this is how much we're up to right now in terms of how much money we've made. You're probably wondering, why are you only at $13 when you had videos get 200,000, you had video get 40,000 views? It's supposed to be around another $300. The thing that happened is that video that got 230,000 views, I used a stitch in it. If you guys don't know, when you stitch a TikTok, it's pretty much use the beginning part of your videos from another video. So you find a TikTok that you want to stitch, you pick 5 seconds from it, and then you use that as the intro to your video, and then you just add your own thoughts or your own opinions or whatever it is. Unfortunately, I didn't see that this was a restriction to earning qualified views. I thought just to earn qualified views, your video had to hit the For You page, it had to be over a minute long, and it had to get over 1,000 views. But then once you click into further details, you see that videos that are duets and videos that are stitches are just not eligible for the program, which really pissed me off, and it was very unfortunate because I could have just used the green screen effect that exists on TikTok to kind of do a unofficial stitch of that video, taking the first part of it, running it in the green screen, and then reacting to it afterwards. It probably would have performed just as well, and the money would have been there, right? But I didn't know that. Unfortunately, I had to look further into it, and it's really fine print. I'm surprised, or I don't understand why they're not upfront with that videos can be duets or stitches the way they're upfront with all the other requirements and qualifications in order for a video to be monetized. But nonetheless, I don't really care, right? The way I was able to hit 200K in that video, I can do it on another video that is going to be eligible, right? So from now on, I'm not going to do any more stitches. But the great thing about the stitch style of video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can do it without actually doing a stitch. But the great thing about it is you get a video that's already performing well, which clearly already has a good intro, it's intriguing, and people, wanted to watch that video. That's why it performed well. And then you take that and you use it for your own video. That way, the viewer is going to be intrigued, and then you just got to add your own opinion to it, and you need to be either informative, entertaining, whatever it may be. You just add something to it, and it's more likely going to perform better than just see normal TikTok, especially when it's a trending topic or it's a trending video. That video that I stitched was a trending video. It was doing very well. You know what? I'm going to show you guys actually literally the stitch that I made, the video that I made that got that many views. I'm going to run it up on the screen.
This is how I ended up homeless in Thailand. I booked a one-way flight from Louisiana to Japan.
So pretty much that's what happens when you watch too many travel influencers. So that lady, she had the brilliant idea of, hey, I'm going to move to Japan. I'm going to take a one-way flight and just live. I don't have an income, I don't have a job, and I have no money saved up. Like, how, as sad as it is, right? Of course, I don't wish for anyone to be homeless, but how do you make a decision like that? The only answer I can come up with is watching too much social media, because we see these influencers all the time who are like, this is how I started my new life in some random Asian country. I just picked up my bag and left, when in reality, you don't know how much money those people really had saved up. You don't know if their parents are self-funding their lifestyle. Most of the time they are. When you make a decision like that, you need to be realistic. I'm all about adventuring and traveling and taking crazy trips, but look, if you don't even got five, seven, $10,000 in your bank account, you really think you're about to take a one-way flight to Japan and survive in Japan? You don't know, you don't speak Japanese, you don't understand the Japanese economy, you don't understand the Japanese job market and how hard it is, and you also don't understand how expensive it is over there. Come on, y'all gotta wake up. So how we're gonna run it up from now on, we're gonna use the green screen effect. We're going to download whatever TikTok it is that we want to react to, then use the green screen effect, play 5-6 seconds of that video, and then after that just add our own reaction to it. This way we're going to get the positives of the stitch effects, but also the positives of being able to make money off the video and have it be monetized. With that being said, guys, we're continuing on this run. I'm still posting. Actually, over these past few days, I posted like multiple times a day, just because I felt like a really good fire. I was enjoying my content, I was enjoying what I was posting about, and I'm noticing I'm getting a lot better at making 1-minute videos on TikTok, which is such a hard skill. If you can keep TikTok viewers, interested for over the 10-15 second attention span that they have, that's a very, very, very strong and valuable skill to have, and that's a skill that I'm developing. It's only a matter of time before eventually a video goes viral, and I'm not talking just 200,000 views. I'm thinking 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 20 million views on a single video of mine. It is going to happen. I'm positive of it. When I continue posting every day, that video is going to be monetized and we're going to earn money from it, and I can't wait to show you guys that video. I can't wait to show you that it is possible. And I mean, I showed y'all with the journey to 10K on TikTok shop. I started everything from zero, showed everything until we hit that milestone. And now I'm going to do it again on the creativity program beta. I hope y'all take inspiration from this and you go out there and do it yourself, because y'all side started from zero and here I am today, and you can do the exact same thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to keep posting these weekly videos until we hit that 10K. I was originally going to do it for 30 days, but I said, I haven't hit the goal yet, and I have to stick through to it until I hit that goal and hold myself accountable. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have questions, specific questions with anything TikTok related, you'll find my one-on-one consultation link down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.